Small bathroom shower tile ideas. 5 looks that enhance a compact space. If you are looking for small bathroom shower tile ideas, it's likely that one of your priorities is for the finished effect to be space enhancing. You can achieve this in various ways, with light colors, reflective finishes, large-scale tiles, or a one-tone scheme. However, tile shapes, textures, and the tile layout itself have a role to play too, when you are looking for small bathroom ideas that are specifically within the shower enclosure. Here, we look at the best small bathroom shower tile ideas that cover all the bases. Small bathroom shower tile ideas. Well thought out bathroom tile ideas for small spaces will do more than be a practical addition. They should make the space feel luxurious and welcoming, add decorative details, and even set the tone for the color scheme. This is what these small bathroom shower ideas do, and our interiors experts explain which one might be best for you. Pack a punch with all-over color and patterned tiles. Bathrooms are one of the few places in the house where you can get away with strong, vivid tones which might be over the top in other rooms. Maximalism is very much on trend, with more and more people experimenting with bold patterns and bright colors, says James Lentane, creative director at Drummond's. Ensure lighting is good and layered, with a combination of ceiling spotlights and wall lights, and lay out the space so that the basin is nearest the source of natural light. Use interior design tricks to give the illusion of space. Using large format shower tiles in a compact bathroom makes the most of the space, as there are fewer joins between the tiles, which create a clean and seamless look. Smaller tiles or tiles with bold combinations of colors and patterns can make the space feel busy and smaller. The muted pattern on the large format tiles in this bathroom brings in a textured look. Focus on beautiful brassware, such as these antique bronze fixtures, to add an extra considered design element to the space. Use large mirrors to increase the light in the space. To make the most of compact space, use mirrors on cupboard doors. If you can, build a cupboard above the WC cistern to add storage and keep the wall surfaces in line. Keeping the surfaces aligned will create a clean and sharp look, says Shalini Misra, interior designer and founder, Shalini Misra Limited. Mix it up with different tile shapes and sizes. For wet rooms or for walk-in shower tile ideas, you can afford to be a little more adventurous with mixing up tile shapes and sizes, purely because there's very little other architecture in the room. Create interest with small bathroom shower tile ideas by using a mixture of different floor, ceiling, and wall tiles. Use larger designs on the walls and mini tiles on the rest of the surfaces. Doing so will add a fabulously textured look, and, if you use white, will make the space feel light and airy, says Lucy Searle, editor-in-chief at Homes & Gardens. Go for a bold wall tile in a modern shape. Looking for shower room ideas that have a splash of bold color? You can achieve this by tiling one wall. Choosing an eye-catching design like this creates both horizontal and vertical lines across the wall, which can make the bathroom feel wider and taller. This tub and shower combination saves space and creates a stunning focal point in the bathroom. We love how this Bedrosian's Rain dark teal picket tile turned out. Just the right mix of color and pattern, says Stephanie Lindsay, principal designer at Edge Interior Design. Large hexagonal floor tiles help to trick the eye. Of course, small bathroom shower tile ideas needn't be limited to the walls. You can affect the proportions of your space with floor tiles, too. Go for a high-impact floor tile in a small bathroom shower room, as it will be stunning visually and distract from the compact space. Shades of gray teamed with black work well with white wall tiles. Keep the color scheme simple, as it will be effective that way, says Jennifer Ebert, digital editor at Homes & Gardens. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and click on bell icon.